Starbeams, we are here with another video. First announcement, we have hit 100. So, like I said in the RJ workshop video, we have a little packet and it's kind of leaked on me, and so there's just glitter on my hand, so you will have to ignore that, and that is why there's these little handles. I am also going to be doing a school play called The Puffs, and it's basically just a parody of Harry Potter where it follows the Hufflepuffs, and it's just like all about just accepting like yourself and being yourself, and that everybody is important. Now, you may notice that the camera angle is a little bit taller than normal, and that is because I am going to be doing an unboxing video, and I'm going to be making this, and it is so cute because it has interchangeable faces. The ears can move, the tails can move, and the legs can move, and I'm so excited because I absolutely love this. This is so cute. I am already getting glitter on everything. Ooh, stickers. Okay, so...
Are those instructions in Japanese?
Yeah. I have to look for numbers and that's it. Tiny stickers are really hard to get on. I got it. I somehow got on these really tiny pupils. I'm so proud of myself, and I hope that you guys are as well, because that was hard. Okay. So I got that. Oh, and now I gotta do the mouth. Okay. Here is the mouth. Yeah. And stickers again. At least this one's bigger than the last one. Yeah. Oh, that's not crooked. Oh no. Can I fix it? Well, I kind of put on the tongue crookedly. I don't know if you guys can see that there. But, I kind of fixed it. Whoops. This face, or don't do that, careful. I can do this face. Haha. Okay. Put that on wrong. Whoops. You gotta like really not have shaky hands for this, and that is a bit difficult. Put this on crooked as well. Oh no. Can I drag it? Nope. Can I take it off? Nope. Okay, so we got this really good Eevee ear, And then this ear, where like, if you look closely, the inside isn't put on right. Whoops. That wasn't meant to happen. Ooh. And now, let's take this Eevee head, which we can do, stick that in there, and then look, it moves. It's movable. Let's have this like be like a super happy Eevee. And doop. Super happy Eevee. Okie dokie. That just looks a lot better, like, at least right now it does, but like, I don't know. All of the instructions are in Japanese, I don't know what it's talking about. I just got letters and numbers to go off of. Where's this? Tail and the hind legs, and we shall be putting the body together. Okay, so now we have all of this together. We just gotta put the stickers onto the little paws. So that way, Eevee here has bottom of paws. Oh no, there's more tiny stickers. Almost just put a sticker on upside down. Got that one on, but damaged the sticker a little bit because I did not put it in the correct place at all, and so I had to take it off. If you guys ever plan on doing this, never ever make that mistake, because that was about to end horribly. And that would not have been a good idea. Please don't be crooked, please, please, please. No, gosh. Well, I just put on another sticker crooked and whoops, but at least this time it was in the right spot. Wasn't at first, but it is now. So I can now put all of these off to the side because I am done. Haha. So, this is my finished Eevee. Like I said, it has movable ears, movable head. Even these can move, which I did not know that they were able to. I have its tails able to move, and its paws as well. And, as I showed earlier, it also has interchangeable faces. I guess. So you have to take off the head first to change it, and this is only on because the head is on. It does not stay on. The head can also go like all the way down, but it can't do that while this is on. So that's pretty cool. So we just take this off. The ears stay in, luckily. I thought that they were gonna fall out, but they don't. Haha. Put that back on. Put this back on. Keep it on until the head is on there. And there we go. It changed its face, as I showed, and it is so cute. Also, you can have the ears face backwards. That's kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think I ever want to meet. I mean, I kind of do actually want to meet an Eevee, whether like in the game or the show, where his ears just go completely backwards, but like still, it's kind of scary. So yeah, this is my cute little Eevee. I'm gonna name it Eevee because I can't think of a different name for this Eevee. If any of y'all have any names for the Eevee, put it in the comments and I may or may not choose it. I don't know, but I want to see y'all's creativity. And I shall see y'all in the next one. Keep shining, Starbeams.